Headline. I just got some Alcantara I ordered it on Amazon and it says that it's real Alcantara, so we'll see. Anyway, this interior I think is probably, it's the age of the car. It's never been replaced. I kind of tried cleaning it, but I was afraid of damaging it, I guess. Anyway, but you can see there's like stains in it. I've had the car since 2010-ish, July of 2010. I haven't really done any kind of upgrades to the car except for the radio, and it was an Alpine unit. I changed it to Kenwood, and frankly I kind of want something new. I want to update the interior. Okay, so the speaker bill here, it can come off. If I can find the tag. Okay, so just lift it, and it has Alpine speakers. Okay, and then same for this side. I think this tab comes off on this side. And I really haven't looked at this speaker right. I think it's the same. Yeah. So, it would be so much easier, make my life easier, if I could just remove the speakers from here instead of taking the whole panel off. But I guess I have to take it off. So more on that. This tint on each window, and obviously it's very dirty because it's been raining in Sacramento for the last couple weeks, and both my cars are really freaking dirty. On my truck, yeah. I removed the tint off of this window to make it ready for ceramic tint. I've got some friends in Sacramento that will do the tint all around all the windows. The interior is pretty clean. I might be reupholstering this in the future. More on that. So the speakers on the doors are Kenwood, and I've got the stock tweeters, which I'll be replacing. That bracket cover thing broke, so I ordered some on eBay. I found them on eBay. They were like $80 for the pair. I don't care. It's my car. The door cards were replaced this year, or last year, sorry. They were replaced last year. The previous ones were thrashed. And I think I want to replace that fabric that's in the center. Got a bunch of the vinyl into that. So
eternity later.